Alright, so today we're gonna start our final exam. So here's our final exam for the IT 603 final. I have selected my honor code true, and so we're gonna start now. Command line. Alright, so let's see what is the question number one? Yep. On my SQL command line, display the system date and ID who is logged in. So I have done the paper now, and I have put all my codes in the notepad just to save the time. So here we're gonna put it now. Alright, so that's my name Junaid and my ID 4033018, and that's the date now. So we're gonna go to for the second question now. Install the course final database attached to this assignment. Alright, so I have already attached the installed the database, and we're gonna see how it works in the workbench. Alright, so first we have to go to the data. First we have to download the database. Then we go to the data import and restore. By clicking it, we go to the, it comes up like a file import from it was in the default, it was there, import from dump project. Then we have to press like select import from self-contained file. We selected it, and we go to the location of it, and then we go start import. So look, the import is running, it's in a progress, and it's done now. So after that we go to our schemas, we check it, we refresh it. Look, the vintage mall, it's there now, it's installed and imported. All right, then we go to the question number 3. Display the names of all tables in the database. So how you display all the tables in the database? For question number 3, here you go. We just type show schema, use vintage mall because our database is vintage mall. Then we show tables. Let's run the code now. What's this? Oh, we can. Oh, it's not giving it. Let me try it again. Show schemas. It's there. Then we use vintage mall. So the database is changed now. Then we see show tables. So here are the tables for our vintage mall database. Then we go to the question number 4. Display the customer number, the customer name, and the sales representative employee number of all the customers whose credit limit is over $100,000. So how we do that? We're just gonna, let me show you how it works. So we have selected customer number, customer name, sales representative employee number, credit limit for customers whose credit limit is over $100,000. So here we go. Here are the one whose credit limit is over $1,000. We can see the credit limits, it's over $100,000 for all of them. And then we go to question number 5. Change the territory information for the Tokyo office from Japan to APAC. All right, so I have already done that. Question number 5. We do that. Here we go. All right, here we go. We have updated our office. Select territory information where the previous city was Tokyo. City is equal to Tokyo. sorry, we have already changed now. We have seen like the row is affected. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead towards our question number 6. We've done this. Create a view that uses a join statement to show the customer name and total dollar amount per year for each customer who have placed order in 2003, 2004, and 2005. All right, question number 6 is our notepad. Then we go to the command line. Let me paste it here. So what we do, create few new customers as the question demands are select customers, customer name, customer number, payment date, payments amount from customer payments, where customer payment number is payment dot customer number and the payment date is 2003 greater than that. So we have gonna run this. So I have already done like at my previous when I was doing it. So it says table new customers already exist. So it means like I have already done this one when I was solving the questions for our database. So it's mean like new customer that we created, it's already exists now. It means it's working because I have already done it when I was solving my paper. So is this just for a video just to show for question number 6 like it's working now. Then we go to the question number 7. What it says, create a user with your name and password. Select, first you have to select, then grant, then user select on product lines, log on to database and prove that this user. So this is a bunch of different steps we have to do. First we're gonna have to select, then we have to grant the info on especially on product lines. So we're gonna do it now. All right, let us see now. Oh my gosh, there you go, create a user. All right, first we're gonna create user with my name and password. I'm gonna type it, error, create user, Junaid 2001, defined by password. I think I have done it before, that's why it's not popping up. Let me see. Let's change the name of the date for it, 2002. Identify by password. I'm just changing it now because I think I have done with 2001, so I'm gonna change it to 2002 to see it works or not. Yeah, it's working. It's just because I have already done that, that's why it's now working before. All right, so we have I have created user Junaid 2002 identified by password. So now we're gonna do the create new to the product lines, like it's working or not. Let's see. Yep, it's already exists. New product line already exists. Just because I have done it, I have made a new view when I was solving it. So look, table new product lines already exist, and we're gonna prove in, obviously we're gonna prove next year, so you can see there. So grant selection on vintage mall product line 2001, but we changed it to 2002, so we're gonna change now. So it says grand selection of vintage mall. It was the previous one, so we're gonna do the new one. Grant select on vintage mall dot new product lines to Junaid 2002. Yeah, just because we have done it, done the new thing because it was not working for 2001 because it was already there. So we can see its database now changed now. So now we're gonna have to prove like it's working or not. So we're gonna open up the new command line again and we're gonna see command line. Here we go. My password. All right, so we're gonna see system SQL. Issue generate. We're gonna do it for 2002 because we just created 2002 password. All right, so it's saying pass show enter the password. So I will enter my password there. So we can see it's already there now. We are into our new schema. Show schemas. We're gonna see here. We see information schema and vintage mall now. So we can use vintage mall. Database change, and then we're gonna see select star from new product lines. As we see our stars now, so it sees we are done with our course now, with our exam, and this was all about all the questions. All right. I think where is it? Recording. It's recording, but now it's not showing up.